Hey everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a baby shower digital invitation with Canva. Open Canva and go to mobile video. Open a blank canvas. Go to elements and in the search bar, type baby shower. Go to the third row and choose this element in the second column. Place your element onto your canvas, resize it, and reposition your element. Go back to elements and in the search bar type polka dots. Choose any of these polka dots designs. For the sake of our project, we are going to choose this one. Place your polka dot onto your canvas, resize and reposition your polka dot graphic and send it to the back. Go to text and bring your text box onto your canvas. Type your text. We'll go for shower invitation. Then choose your font. Choose whichever font you want to use. For the project, we'll go for a font called Benedict. Increase the size of your font. And now we are going to animate our font. Go to animate and choose the bounce animation. Duplicate your frame. Delete the element. Go to elements again. And in the search bar, type balloons. Choose any balloon graphic that you like. Put your balloon element onto your canvas. You can also resize and reposition your balloon element. Duplicate your balloons. Put one graphic element on the top right hand corner of your canvas and the other one on the bottom left hand corner of your canvas. Now change your font. Duplicate your frame once more. Remove the two elements and remove your text. Go to elements and in the search bar again type baby shower. Choose the first graphic element and put it onto a canvas. Resize and reposition your graphic element. Go back to elements and in the search bar type blue stroller. Go to the second row and in the middle column choose this graphic element and put it onto a canvas. Go to the toolbar, tap on the flip logo and flip your graphic element. Resize and reposition your graphic element. Put it onto your left hand side of your canvas. Now let's animate our feet. Go to animate and scroll all the way to pulse. And you can decrease or increase the intensity of your animation. We're also going to animate our stroller. Go to animate and scroll all the way to create animation. Slowly drag your stroller across your canvas until it disappears on the other side. Don't forget to choose your movement style, either original, smooth or steady. And you can also increase and decrease the speed of your animation and press done. Go back to elements and in the search bar type baby shower letters. Choose the first graphic element, resize and reposition your graphic element. Duplicate your frame. Remove all the elements and go back to elements. And in the search bar type baby shower cloud. Scroll down to the fifth row and choose the element in the middle column. Bring your element onto your canvas, resize and reposition your element. Go to text, select your text box and bring it onto your canvas. Type your text, resize and reposition your text. Change your font. We're going to use a font called Riley. Now in the toolbar, go to Effects, go to Shape, and then go to Curve. Give your text a curve shape. Align your text with your element. Tap on your element and go to these three dots. Go to Select Multiple and then again tap on your text, and then scroll all the way to group. Then our element and our text will be grouped together. Go back to text and create another text. Using the same procedure as before, you can curve your text. Now we are going to animate our text. In the toolbar, go to animate and then scroll all the way to burst. You can also increase or decrease the intensity of your animation. Duplicate your frame and delete all the elements. Go back to elements and in the toolbar type baby shower cloud. Choose your cloud and put it onto your canvas. Resize and reposition your cloud. Go back to elements and type baby shower decorations. Choose this element, put it under your cloud element. Go back to text and choose your text box. Type your text. Now group your text and all your elements together. Drag your grouped elements to the bottom of your canvas. Now let's animate our grouped element. Go to animate and scroll all the way to create animation. Drag your element all the way to the top of the canvas. You can select any movement style and then increase or decrease the speed of your animation. Duplicate your frame and change your text. On this one you can put the venue of the event. Duplicate your frame for the last time and delete all your elements. You can set different durations for all your frames depending on how long you want your frames to be. Go back to elements for the last time and in the search bar type baby shower moon baby. Choose the first graphic element and put it onto your canvas. Resize and reposition your graphic element. Now we are going to animate our graphic elements. Go to animate and scroll all the way to drift. Increase the intensity of your animation and choose the direction of your animation using these 4 arrows. We're now going to add transitions between our frames. Go to transitions for the first frame and add a circle wipe transition and change the direction of the wipe depending on which direction you want. Use different transitions until you find your desired outcome. Now we are going to add background music to our project. Go to audio. In the search bar type baby mobile lullaby and choose the first audio track. Here is our final project. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Until we see each other in the next video, peace.